This is one of the tea that I'm so proud of ever since I began my natural hair journey. This tea is used for myself and for my daughter, and trust me, I love it because I have seen growth, I have seen the volume of her hair increase massively, and I have seen it help me to detangle properly, like with ease, guys. Hello there, you're welcome to my channel. How are you doing today? I greet you according to your time. This is P Love TV. Alright, so today we're making this spray tea. If you're my returning subscriber, thank you so much. I appreciate your presence here. And if this is your first time of coming across my video, please do well to feel at home, do well to subscribe, do well to turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified when I upload videos. And please don't forget to like this video. Everyone, please give it a thumbs up for me. I would really make do with that. I appreciate you all. Thank you for your time. God bless you. So if you're looking for something that will work for your scalp, your strands, and your tips, this is what you need. You need this tea because you can call it all rounder. It's not just only for scalp or just for strand. No, it is for your whole hair. And like I said earlier, I have experienced massive growth. I have experienced volume, like that volume part. It is for me, okay, since I began my natural hair journey with that of my daughter. We have been using this. Again, if you're looking for what to use to detangle your hair, this is the tea that you need. I always advise people, you don't just take down your protective style and begin to comb it. No, you need something to lubricate it, to soften it, and this tea is what you need if you don't want to use water. I prefer using spray tea, hair growth teas instead of water because it helps more. It's on something that it stimulates growth. Okay, we are going to get to the benefits of the ingredients there, but you need this. Again, if you are taking down your braids, you're taking down your protective style, you need this tea, all right, so that you prevent breakage, you prevent shedding. If you want to prevent shedding, you need this tea. Spray it on your braids or on your protective style before you take it down. Strictly, this is an instruction for someone who does not want their hair breaking. Spray this tea on your hair before you begin to take down any style that you have on. Trust me, when you do this, come and leave in the comment section. If you have been experiencing breakage, you will not experience it. Even if you do, it will be minimized to the minimum. You will not have excessive breakage. Most times we just take down our braid and we begin to comb. No, you need this tea to help you stop breakage of your hair. Now I have my rosemary 1.5 spoon, fenugreek seed 1.5 spoon, black seed 1 spoon, flax seed 1 spoon, and my mint leaf all incorporated into this. I infused it. As you can see, I didn't boil it, but if you are in a hurry to have that, you can steam it on fire on a low heat, or better still, boil your water, bring it to boil, then off the fire, then put this ingredient and allow it to cool, then you can sieve out. But if you are patient enough, you can leave it for 24 hours or for 12 hours before you use. Now, after you have infused this, remove the tea, the remaining leftover, put it inside freezer. Before you use it the next time, bring it out to thaw, all right? Then the ones that you're using, like I have a 1 week challenge on my hair. I braided my hair for my birthday. So I'm using this tea on my hair for 1 week. So it's a challenge. That's why I'm adding all this essential oil, all right, to help blood circulation. You can see glove there to help with growth. That rosemary helps your hair to grow because it's for damaged follicles. Fenugreek stimulates hair growth, also promote your hair to grow well, and also to promote the length of your hair, to strengthen your hair. If your hair is weak, fenugreek helps to strengthen it, and also blood circulation around your hair, your follicles. They need it, all of the things that are inside there. You can see the tea is somehow slimy because of the presence of flaxseed. Flaxseed is what I use most of the time to do my pre-poo days. Flaxseed is so helpful. It detangles your hair properly, and it has got its own benefit, all right? So the plan is for me to massage my hair daily with this cream, this oil every day. I use LOC method, okay, because of my hair porosity. That LOC method means my liquid, my cream, and my oil. All products are made by me, and the recipes are all on my channel. You can check that out You can check all of them out on my channel. Okay, the spray teas are on my real short videos on how to make different types of spray tea just from the comfort of your home, and you are good to go. These are potent, these are massive hair growth tea that will help you. You're using this to massage your scalp daily, or twice a week, as your case may be, will help you make your hair more stronger and healthier. Okay, so if your hair is weak, you need this. I have a 1 week challenge and I'm using this, but if you want to use it 3 times a week, it's also perfect. So do what works for you, and please come back here and leave me a comment if it really helped you. Like the video for me, please. I will really appreciate that. Okay, thumbs up is appreciated. Subscribe if you have not subscribed, and share the video out to those who need it. The next video is how I use this on my braids. God bless you. Bye.